All right, Jamaica, here's what we're hearing right now. A bizarre story out of Clarendon. So, a police constable assigned to the Maypen police station is being questioned after a service vehicle was badly damaged in a crash early Thursday morning. Jamaica News page understands that the officer did not have a valid driver's license and allegedly took the police vehicle without permission from the officer it was assigned to. So, this reportedly happened in the wee hours of the morning, where I'm talking about 3 a.m. Now, you're looking at a video right now, and this is not the actual video. In fact, we've been trying to get images and videos for you, but have not found any so far. So let's just visualize what happened. Sources say the constable was driving in the Maypen area when he lost control of the vehicle, crashed into a wall, and then ended up overturning in a gully. Thankfully, no one was injured, but the police vehicle was extensively damaged. Again, we're still trying to get images and videos for you. Investigations into the incident are ongoing, so certainly follow Jamaica News page for more updates as this develops and click the link in our bio for more news.